Neinei's back. Today we're going on a very fun adventure. And we're going to learn about cute baby animals.
And the mommies too. Are you ready?
Let's go! This is a baby puppy.
And here is the mommy dog.
Great job, kids! This is a baby kitten.
And here is the mommy cat. Good job, kids.
Good job. Meet the baby cat.
And here is the mommy cow. Good job, kids.
Good job, kids. We're so proud of you. Look at this cute baby duckling.
And here's the mommy duck. Amazing, kids.
Amazing. Here's a baby elephant calf.
And here's the mommy elephant.
Good job, kids.
Great
You're
learning,
fantastic.
kids. Baby chicken.
This is a baby chick.
And here's the mommy chicken. Good job, kids.
Fantastic. This is a baby pole.
And here's the mommy horse. Good job, kids.
Here's the baby lamb.
And here's the mommy sheep. Good job, kids.
Here's the baby bunny and it's so cute.
And here is the baby rabbit. So beautiful. You're all star kids.
And you're so awesome learning. Here's a baby tiger cub.
And here is the mommy tiger.
And they're a little bit scary, but they're so cute, like you. Here's a baby bear cub.
And here is the mommy bear.
And it's so cute.
Yes,
And
your
so
bear.
so scary and try to
Yes,
try to
and so huggable. Wow, kids, you met so many baby animals and mommy too. Let's recap all of them.
Here's what we learned today, kids. Puppy and dog, kitten and cat, calf and cow, duckling and duck, elephant calf and elephant, chick and chicken, foal and horse, lamb and sheep, bunny and rabbit, tiger cub and tiger, bear cub and bear.
Good job, everyone. We've learned so much today about baby animals and their mommies.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures.